Let's take the following situation. You have a Windows 10 computer that fails to boot, and neither the Startup Repair tool nor the SFC tool is enabled to fix the problem. In this situation, what you can do is to try restore the system from a restore point. From the recovery environment, click on System Restore. Click Next to display the available restore points. Select the latest restore point. In this machine, there is only one restore point available. Click Next. Click Finish to start the restoration. This will take some time to complete, so I'm going to pause the video and resume afterward. The system restore completed successfully, and I need to restart the computer. Note that after restoring, you need to check if there is any missing software that you need to reinstall or a missing user's file that you need to recover from a backup. This is the inconvenience of the system restore point. All programs installed and files created after the restore point was created will be lost when you perform the restoration. So consider this parameter when applying this fix. Thanks for watching. See you at the next lesson.